Greetings, my V family all over the world. This is your chief in the beautiful city of Rome. It is officially now 12:30 a.m., which is early for me to record my Wednesday message. But technically in Malaysia now it's 6:30 a.m. All right, behind the camera is Jonathan. On my right is Irish. On my left is Loreen, our dedicated warriors who have no choice technically but to wait for me to come back after having a beautiful birthday dinner with Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. Yesterday whole day was the celebration of the great one, the man who's responsible for us being around for 27 years and being the greatest story ever in network marketing, guys. All right, I'm so proud that every year we get this privilege and honor to spend his birthday with him. And yesterday we had good food, great people. You'll see a lot of photographs over the next few days on social media. We took some nice photos at dinner. But most importantly, it was not a celebration of, the founder, Dato Sri Vijay. It was also the celebration of our brother, all right, our mentor, our leader, our visionary. It was a family get-together, all right, to celebrate a birthday of somebody we love so dearly. So Dato Sri Vijay, Anne, if you're watching this, happy birthday to you once again. We have sang the song so many times all over Rome, all right. And I'm right now sitting here, all right, at the lobby of the hotel, about tomorrow to welcome the blue diamonds, the diamonds, and the platinums of QNet for the Achievers Club. Lorraine has finally arrived, so we're going to be pumping you with social media cool stuff as I walk around this beautiful city of Roma. All right, so, and today I was thinking while walking, I walked for 20 minutes from Dato Sri Vijay's hotel to mine. And I remember a question constantly asked to me, that how do you build a successful network? And this question actually has a lot of answers. And I've given all my answers over the last 27 years. So if you actually took the trouble to summarize every message I've given you, you should have enough to build a successful network. And here comes the question of what does it take to build a successful network? How do you actually do it? And I'm going to attempt for the first time in the history of network marketing, how you build a network. All right, so this is going to be fast. The subtitles must catch up, Irish, I hope. All right, okay. Now, very simple. You start your journey, you sign up. What does that mean? To you, it can mean nothing, or it can mean the biggest decision you made in your life. If it means nothing, stop watching this video. All right, okay, and watch something else on the internet. If it was one of the biggest decisions in your life, congratulations. You started your journey with us, QNet, the V, the great founders, Japa, Dato Sri Vijay. All right, and you start your journey as an entrepreneur. Simple, full stop, as an entrepreneur. So the first thing you need to do is click. Paradigm shift. If it is to be, it is up to me. That you own this business. You are the CEO of your tracking center. Take ownership. Don't blame the world for your challenges. All right, just start the journey as an entrepreneur. As simple as that. Take ownership. This is yours. All right. And then you start your journey. How do you start your journey? You get more people to join you. They sign up, they buy a product. How do you do this? Very simple. You have a list of names. You go out there, you talk to people. And during this whole process, the beauty of network marketing, especially QNet in the V, you don't do it alone. There's somebody holding your hand. That person is called the upline. That person is called the V. That person is called Chief Pathman Senathirajah through his Wednesday message, through his Insta Live. That person is called VCon. All right, that person is called the 8 basic building blocks. You have so much support, so much guidance that you are not alone. And this is the beauty of network marketing. So you start presentation, 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 presentation. Click. Next click you need. Some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting. You get rejected. I don't care. I love it. Keep moving, because you can decide for people. They're going to decide yourself. You do the best by presenting the idea. They decide for themselves. They participate, all right, and they buy a product. They sign up as your downline. Now you just copy paste what you went through, put them through it. Welcome, 8 basic building blocks, your system, your welcome event, your educational program, whatever, all right, and you put people into the system. Now, while they are in the system, naturally these people, first category will drop out. Don't panic. Don't panic. Because some will, some won't, so what? Also applies to after signing up. Some people just suddenly lose interest in being an entrepreneur. Some people didn't find their dream. Some people just quit. It's human nature. Then the remaining people who are still in the system, still coming to your Zoom training, still doing a few presentations, still attending training, still watching the Wednesday message, still following Chief on Instagram, still coming to VCon to listen to Dato and Japa on stage. Now this group of people are divided to 2 groups. You got Group B. What is Group B? Group B are people who haven't allowed QNet into their blood. They love it, they like it, they love hanging around, they love the business, they love the idea of entrepreneurship and network marketing, but they have not really gotten that click that this is what I do, this is who I am. I'm not in QNet, QNet is in me. That level of commitment, that level of dedication has not been achieved in their minds by this group of people. I call them, all right, Group B. It's okay. They exist and they will be the vast majority of your downlines. Now, what do you do with these people? You keep them as much as you can. Keep them in the system, and you need to be a coach to them. You need to be an upline to them. But to Group B, you need to be Coach A. What is Coach A? Coach A is an inspiring, loving, empowering, uplifting. I love you. You are the best. Come on, find your dream. Follow me. This is the best business, best concept, best opportunity. I love you. I'm proud of you. The guy does one presentation. Clap. You understand or not? All right. You just need to keep them in the system. You got to prevent them from quitting. That's your goal. Remember, as they long and they last long enough and they start seeing results, they start seeing a commission or 2 commissions or 3 commissions, inshallah, they get the click. What is the click they need to get? So they're Group B. Group B needs Coach A. All right. Then there's another group that will create by itself. Naturally, is called Group A. Now, Group A will always be a smaller percentage of your whole team. 100 people, Group A may be 20%, maybe even 10%. Group B will be the rest. It's completely normal. Don't panic. All right. Not everyone is going to tattoo QNet on their forehead and say, I love this company. I will die for this company. All right. It doesn't happen in reality. So you got Group B, you be Coach A. Keep them in the system. Stop them from quitting, and hopefully they'll get a click. Your goal is to keep them in the system, prevent them from quitting long enough that they start seeing results that inspire them enough to get the click to move to Group A. Because Group A, baby, that's where the magic happens, all right? Now, what's Group A? Group A is hardcore, warriors, committed, full-time, quit their job, don't care what their neighbors say, not too worried about the opinion of your mother-in-law. These are hardcore guys, okay? I'm Dato Sri Vijay's Group A from 27 years. Are you guys with me? So Group A, you have trespass. They want to achieve greatness. They are not here to earn $250 a week. They're not here to upgrade their Toyota. They're not here to buy a lollipop. They are here to buy the Ferraris, the Rolls Royce, the villas. They are here to change the world. They are here because they want to not conquer 10 people in their village. They want to conquer the world. You understand? All right, that's the Group A mindset. Now, for Group A, you got to be Coach B. What's Coach B? Coach B means you are tougher on them. You are unreasonable with them. You find out their dream. You remind them their dream. You don't allow them to switch off. You push them to the brink of giving up, and then you pull them back. You stretch them. You be unreasonable. Group A must do Rule 3. Must do Rule 3. If your Group A is not doing Rule 3, they are not Group A. 15 presentations a month. Never stop networking. From the time they wake up till they go to sleep, They are in presentation mode, training mode. They can handle any crisis. They are warriors. Their switch is on and gone. Are you guys with me now? It's on and gone. All right, their warrior switch. This group A are the movers and shakers. This group A is going to take you to max out. This group A is going to make you a V partner. This group A is what carried this company for 27 years. The Aruns, the Atlees, the Satis, the Davids, the Donnas, the Kalais, all the V partners, the AVP, the VCs, the V elite leaders, the ISB core alliance. All right, all these people, they're all Dato Sri Vijay and Japa's group A. Are you guys with me or not? All right, and you got to be coach B with them. So now you have a system running. You got group B, coach A. Keep the system exciting. Keep the system up to date. Plug your system into the V system. So make sure you talk about Wednesday message, Insta Live. You talk about the philosophy of ISB. You bring them all to VCon. They will have a good time, and hopefully your job is to get them to get that click somewhere on that journey. A group A moves to group B. Alright, sorry, group B moves to group A. They get the click, they move to group A. Get the click, move to group A. Now group A, alright, you meet them every day. You talk to them every day. You travel with them. They sleep on your sofa. Your mom cooks for them. You bring them home. You have strong relationship. You re-establish trespass every day. You have no fear of losing them. You push them to the limits. But you got enough relationship, enough bonding, enough brotherhood, sisterhood, that they're not going to take it the wrong way and walk away. But you still care, you still love. Actually, you love more, you care more, you uplift. They have a crisis, you stand by their side. They face a challenge, personal or networking, you hold their hand and you tell them, I'm there for you no matter what. Alright, then you got group B. Still they face challenges. You are there motivating. Don't give up. You can do it. I believe in you. Alright, keep going. Remind them about the dream. Remind them about possibilities. And you keep doing this for 27 years. And you build a multi-billion-dollar organization like QNet and the V. It's as simple as that. Now, in that process, you reinvent yourself. You embrace social media changes. You embrace technology changes. All right? You go global, all right? Across borders. All right? Talk about South America, Japan, China, to your group A. Group B, stay where you are, keep building. But among all of this, running the system, ultimately, the ultimate goal is for them to start making money. So focus on your people making money. As small as 250, as big as 25,000, it doesn't matter. All right, focus, messaging, earn, build, earn more. Help them earn. Focus on them earning. Recognize their earning. Congratulate their earning. All right, so focus on making money, guys. Don't hold hands and sing Kumbaya. We are not here, all right, to hold hands and sing Kumbaya. We are here for financial freedom, and that's what you need to do. All right, and then, okay, my new downlines just came and they're excited listening to me. And then, guys, you need to have rule 3 as a mantra, as a culture in your organization. That's how you build. Now, along building this, you will have conflicts. You will have ego clashes. What do? Escalate to your uplines, escalate all the way to me or Japa or Dato Sri Vijay. We come in, sit down, all right, resolve the conflict with confrontation, re-establish trespass. Sometimes we can save it, sometimes we can't, but that's life. Along the way, there'll be challenges, whether it's government, Google, newspaper. It has happened for 27 years. It'll happen for the next 27 years. What do? Stay strong, be on the ground, hold their hand, remind them of their dream, and remind them that we are with you. Because as far as I'm concerned, we will never give up on any market. We will never give up on anyone. We will keep going. We will fight any battle. Because Dato Sri Vijay's group A, we are warriors, not normal warriors. We are hardcore warriors. We are Rome warriors. We are Spartan warriors. You understand? All right? That's who we are. And you keep building. And along the way, there's something you got to get a click. That you got to love doing this. You got to smile more than you frown. You got to build relationships that last a lifetime. You got to understand that your team will become your family. That it's okay to have fun. All right, I have had so much fun these 27 years building this business. There's no greater business. You make money, you have fun, you build beautiful relationships. You are part of a value system that is good, a value system that is right, a value system that has survived for 27 years, cross culture, cross religion, doesn't matter. All right, and most importantly, throughout this journey, whether you make $250, whether you make $2.5 million, whatever it is, Be grateful. All right, that's my philosophy. That I'm in Rome today and I'm grateful that this business has given me wealth financially, wealth emotionally, wealth mentally. It has helped me grow up, mature, become the leader I am today. I'm so grateful to the great ones, Japa and Datu Sri Vijay. This is the dream life, guys. And it's not that complicated. If you just watch this video over and over and over again, all right, I have summarized network marketing into 12 minutes. Never done by anyone except your chief. So all I can say is, grazie mille. All right, I love you. And it's time for you to qualify for the next Achievers Club. And this week, first week of the month, don't hold hands and sing Kumbaya. Go out there, do your Rule 3. Love you guys.